Parkinson's Day, which is celebrated on April 11th this year. Parkinson's disease is a disease which commonly affects the elderly population, usually more than 60 years of age. However, there are patients who come before that also, that is less than 60 years of age as well. So in them we have to think about a genetic basis for Parkinson's disease. So what constitutes Parkinson's disease basically? It's a disease which affects the mobility of a person. So they will predominantly come with tremors on one side of the body. So the tremors which are there are present only while they are in a sitting position or while they are in rest. It doesn't happen when the person is trying to do any activities. Along with the tremors, they also have slowness, which means that the pace with which they walk, the pace with which they speak reduces. So these are the two important points which we have to remember whenever we think about Parkinson's disease. So when do we get medical attention for this particular disease is that whenever an elderly person has tremors on one side of the body, predominantly at rest, and also whenever there is slowness of his activities of daily living. These are the 2 points, these are the 2 features which we have to keep in mind whenever we are thinking about Parkinson's disease. So once the person gets medical attention, how do we go about it from there? Usually brain imaging in the form of MRI is done to rule out any other cause of Parkinson's disease. Like Parkinson's disease can mimic stroke also, so usually neuroimaging in the form of MRI is done. So once the diagnosis of Parkinson's disease is made, the treatment is available in the form of medications mainly. And another important point is that what is the basis for Parkinson's disease? Basically what happens is that there is decrease in a chemical in the brain called dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical which is required for us to move around at the regular pace. Whenever there is decrease in this chemical dopamine, the pace of the person walking and all these tremors come out. So in treatment of Parkinson's disease, what is done is that the dopamine is given from outside as a tablet. That's what is the main treatment for Parkinson's disease. So once the dopamine is started in the form of a medication, it has to be taken for lifelong. And we know that Parkinson's disease is a disease which progresses gradually in the form that the tremors can become more, even the slowness of the activities will become slightly more even with the medications. But there are medications so that the disease is stabilized and the progression is also slowed down. So whenever the disease becomes slightly advanced, then there is an option of surgery for these patients in the form of deep brain stimulation. So feasibility for deep brain stimulation has to be checked before making a person undergo deep brain stimulation. As such, the life expectancy of the Parkinson's patients does not decrease. They can have other comorbidities in the form of diabetes or hypertension, which can have an impact on their life expectancy. All in all, Parkinson's disease is a disease which is going to affect the person's mobility mainly, and it has a significant impact on the caregiver also. Because as the disease progresses, the caregiver has to be there all the time with the patient, so it can cause certain amount of psychological impact on the caregiver as well. There are new medications which are being available in the market nowadays, and also research is underway for new medications and also new techniques so that the Parkinson's disease treatment can be made better. I wish everyone happy Parkinson's Day. Thank you so much.